Cooking mama taught me stuff. I'll make it much less rough. Pay close attention for cooking the dummy stuff.
Hey guys, time for a little cooking with dummies. This time, microwave pretzel. All you need for this is a frozen pretzel and a microwave. Now, some people make the mistake of microwaving it on a metallic plate. That is a big mistake. If you microwave it on a metallic plate, the plate gets really hot and you don't want to burn your fingers off, do you? So just cook it on a plastic or a paper plate. I recommend plastic. It just feels nicer. Put it in and set it for anywhere between a minute and 30 seconds to 2 minutes. I'm going to be doing 2 minutes. Now, a little shortcut that some people don't know, if you push 2 and just leave it there, it just goes to 2 minutes. And the same thing works for other settings. For instance, if I push, for instance, 1, wait, it pushes 1. So I'm just gonna put it back to 2 and come back once it's at like 30 seconds or so. Okay, I took it out after 40 seconds and it's kind of hot, so just microwave it for only 30 to 40 seconds. Then transfer it to a metallic plate if you want to. And there you go. Optional salt on the side, and let that be all.